Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm just coming in to give you a quick ritual that you can do to bring in financial success. All you're gonna need is a gold candle, some success oil, and the Bible, and we're gonna be using Psalm 150 for this particular ritual. Okay, so you just want to anoint your candle with the success oil. And as the candle is burning, you just want to read Psalm 150 3 times. Okay, 3 times only. That's it. You in and out with this one. Okay, and as you're reading Psalm 150, just focus on the words and visualize what you want your outcome to be as you're reading. Okay, and also if you're unable to find a gold candle like this, the taper candle, you can just use this type of candle. These are 7-day candles, and this is what they kind of consider the color as gold, is like a dark yellow. If you decide to go that route with the 7-day candles, you don't have to. But yeah, that's it for that. Make sure that y'all hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And y'all go visit the website. Go check your girl out if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm just wishing y'all and sending y'all many blessings. And until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored.